Okay, so now you can take a look here. Um, the first part they ask you refer to the figure 5. Determine the following. You may redraw the circuit to help in the analysis. And determine the total voltage as seen by the voltage source Vs. So it means that from here to here you have to open up the Vs and look from here and calculate our total. So to do this, what we do is we label the parts first. Okay, so from here to here is, let me say, I label it as AB. Then from here to here, there's no resistor. So this point is also A. This point also A. First step, you label all the different nodes. So AB is done. So let me label this as C and this as D. So what I do first is I will have to remove the Vs and then I have to do my measurements, right? So I have to measure from A to B, right? So what I do is I have to redraw in the rectangular form. Okay, the whole circuit is now in triangle form. I want to make it a rectangle. So to do that, I will bring out the 2 points A and B from where I want to measure my R total. Now from B to D, I have a resistor here from B to this point. I label it as D. I have a resistor R1. So I have just mapped this resistor R1. Then you see the resistor R2 is between D and A. So from D to A, I have the resistor which is R2. Okay, so D to A, resistor R2. So I map this resistor R2. Then D to another point C is R3. So from D, add the resistor R3. The other end of R3 is going to the point C. So I included R3. Then the next step, from C to A, I have a resistor R4. So from C to A is R4. Where is my A? My A is here. So I included R4. Then what do I see? From C to A is another resistor R7. Correct? So one end of R7 is to C, the other end of R7 is going to A. So from C to A is R7. Then what is remaining? These two, R5 and R6. R5, R6, where is it? R5 and R6 from D is one path going to C. So between D and C, I have resistor R5 and R6 in series. So my D is here, my C is here. Okay, so from D to C, so this is my point D. So from D to C, I have the resistor R5 and R6 in series. So bring up the point. R5 and R6 is between D and C. Okay, so now is the circuit familiar to you? Can you calculate R total? Okay, now let's see if I finish including all the resistors from this circuit. So looks like I have included all the resistors that I see here has been translated to this circuit, and then now this is in the rectangular form. And this form of analysis, this form of drawing the circuit, I'm very much familiar, correct? So if I see a circuit like this I now know is my series parallel circuit, then I know how to analyze.